Hi guys! Welcome to DTO Off-Road and Car Accessories. So today meron po kaming project unit dito sa shop. Ang unit ni client ay Ford Ranger Wildtrak 2016 na i-upgrade po namin ng F-150 version 3 look. Bali, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang unit ni client before po namin installan ng facelift ng F-150 version 3 look. Ito po ang mismong unit ni client. From Ford Ranger Wildtrak 2016 to F-150 version 3 look. Ito po pala ang mga kasama sa mga inavail ni client na facelift kits. Hood, front grille, front bumper, headlight, fog light, fog lamp cover, front fender left and right, fender flare with light, skid plate, sa likod naman po, back fender left and right, taillight, tailgate cladding with Ford emblem. From Ford Ranger Wildtrak 2016 to F-150 version 3 look.